Hello, I am Uday Nidgalkar, Deputy General Manager Sales in Yamazaki Mazak India Pvt. Limited. So Yamazaki Mazak is a Japanese company with 106 years in this business. We make wide variety of machines having the product baskets of over 300 models in the range of CNC turning, turn mill, VMC, HMC, 5-axis machines and automation solutions. We have got around 11 plants in the world with recently started manufacturing plant in India. We are making here VMC machines of 3 models, and we are delighted to inform that we have shipped out more than 1,000 machines in the past 3 years. And the machines are spread into all sectors: aerospace, automotive, die mold, constructions and medical industry. So Mazak machines are known for high precision, high reliability, where you can get better productivity in terms of both quality as well as quantity. And if you see Mazak, we give a total end-to-end solutions from machine, application support and service support, because we have got a technology center in India where we stock all the space required for the machines. We have a spindle repair center, which among the machine tool builders, Mazak is the only company having the facility in India. So this exhibition is a good platform to us to interact with our known customers as well as new acquaintances and to pitch in our products to them. Here we have displayed one of our made in India machine and turn mill machine here. Thank you.